Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage. So Harbor Freight's parking lot sale ended yesterday. Today is Monday, August 22nd, and they have released a new round of inflation coupons, as they like to call them. And there's not a whole lot there, but there are a couple things that you may want to take note of. So we're going to take a look at that here real quick. And these deals go from today, August 22nd, until Sunday, September 4th. And they are available for everybody, whether or not you have the Inside Track Club. All right, here we go. Fight inflation with coupons. Monday, August 22nd through Sunday, September 4th. So this will end like the day before Labor Day. I'm assuming they're going to have a Labor Day ad that starts sometime between now and then. This is probably just kind of to get us through until then. So first up, you got your dollar sales stuff. Nothing too exciting there, except for grinding wheels. If you still use grinding wheels, a buck a piece is a good price. I've converted mainly to flap discs, so I don't use them often anymore. If you do though, dollar a piece, not a bad deal. And that's a limit 4 coupon. They've also got the 4-inch C clamps on sale. These are kind of nice if you have a table you can use them on. So for $4 a piece, getting weld spatter and things like that on them is not a big deal. Also a limit 4 coupon. That's only 50 cents off. So a lot of these coupons are just some change off, but still, if you need them anyways, you might as well save the money. They've got the titanium MiG 170 on sale for $519 from $569, so that's 50 bucks off if you were interested in that machine. If you're looking for a bottle jack, 45 bucks for the 20-ton Pittsburgh manual jack, down from 60, $59.99. So that's a good price if you're looking for one and want a manual jack to put into a press or something like that. Definitely take a look at that. This is going to seem kind of goofy, but the Warrior angle grinder is only $9.99 right now from 15 bucks. I have one of these. I like keeping a wire wheel on it. It's perfectly fine for that as long as you don't use these grinders for more than what they're capable of. So if you try using a cutoff wheel or a grinding wheel or flap disc on one of these for long periods of time, you will burn these up. But for a wire wheel, just to clean up a weld or something like that, or get a little bit of rust off, they're great. Saves you from having to switch out your wheels all the time. That's what I use mine for, and it's held up just fine. So for 10 bucks, it's worth a shot. I view these as a disposable grinder. I mean, once it's gone, you kind of throw it away and get another one. That's kind of the world we live in. But if you're on a budget and don't want to spend a lot of money on a second grinder, this is a great option. They do have the 12-ton H-frame manual press on sale for $30 off right now. That's a decent price. You're going to be hard pressed, no pun intended, to find a press for this price or cheaper by the time you have it delivered. So look into that if you are interested in a shop press. I mean, even the plates on this press, you're probably looking at $50 to $60 to buy a set on eBay. I've been looking at them for my press, and that's about what they're running. So that alone, plus the jack, and then all the steel they've got in the frame, it's not a bad buy if it's something that you need. These pneumatic tires, if you've got any sort of cart or dolly or anything like that you need to replace wheels on, pneumatic tires are actually pretty pricey if you go to Menards or Home Depot. $5 a piece is not a bad price at all. You can see they're marked down from $8.49. So if that's something you need, definitely check those out. If you've got a project that needs some kind of pneumatic tire, definitely take a look at those. This is kind of funny. The 3 horsepower engine is now 120, and in the parking lot sale ad, we saw the 6.5 horse for like 109. So just keep an eye on that. I mean, if you don't need specifically a 3 horsepower engine, it's worth waiting for the 6.5 horse to go on sale again. If you have an application that requires the smaller motor, then obviously this would be a good buy on this particular model. But it's going to be underpowered for like a go-kart. You might be able to throw one on a mini bike for a kid or something, and it'd be fine. But if you're looking for anything for an adult to ride, you're definitely going to want that 6.5 horse or better. All right, so that's about all I found in that ad that interested me and I thought was worth mentioning. Like I said, this is more than likely going to be a filler until that Labor Day ad comes out, because we're only a couple weeks away. I will definitely be doing a video on that Labor Day flyer when it is available, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. I've been doing more of these Harbor Freight sale videos lately, and I'm hoping to branch this out into others as well. But for example, Home Depot doesn't have an active ad right now. Farm and Fleet's ad currently is paper only, and in order to take advantage of the discounts, you need the flyer for that you got in the mail. And Menards is just continuously running the 11%, so there's not really a whole lot to talk about from a Menards ad. So I'll keep looking around, keep finding some more sales and deals, and we will go from there. Thanks for tuning in.